let it go, accept yourself the way you are, love yourself, let it go. Wear what you want to wear, let it go, let it go. It is summertime. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having the best day. I am coming at you today with a summer try-on haul, my first one of the season. So y'all, the summer collection at Shein is poppin'. I'm so excited to be partnering with them today to bring you guys this video. Shein has some really cute pieces, and especially the summer collection, it's really cute. So I want to bring you guys all of that and show you what I picked up. I will have all of these Shein pieces linked down below. And just so you guys know, Shein does offer free shipping on all orders over $49, and you get 75 days to return items. And if you guys like anything that I show you today, or you want to check out Shein, you guys can get 15% off your order with the code FEARLESS15 on the Shein US website. I'll put the link below, make it super easy. Guys, I'm so excited that summer is finally here. Like, we made it. And I'm so excited with all these clothes. So let me get started. And I have myself positioned so you can see how the back of everything looks. So this first outfit is everything. I love this crop top paired with this skirt. So first and foremost, the skirt is really nice. It has a lot of stretch. It has this cute button detail and little slit at the bottom. And pairing it with a crop top is just perfect. I love this one shoulder knit crop top. It looks so nice on. This would look so cute with so many high-waisted items. The one shoulder just adds like a really nice sleek look. And you guys know I love mustard. Like, it's one of my favorite colors for fashion. So I love this look so much. You could dress it up or down too. Like, throw on some wedges and dress it up, throw on some sandals, dress it down, denim jacket when it gets chilly. But that's just the start of it. We have so much to try on. So next outfit. Okay, so this set is absolutely adorable. Literally, I love it so much. So I pretty much got everything from Shein in a 3X. This matching set is adorable. So we have this little flouncy skirt that is just the prettiest, ruffliest little thing ever. And then it's paired with this matching top here. So it has really cute little ruffle sleeves. This is a nice stretchy material. And I love the little detail that it has this little ruffle at the bottom. It's adorable. I know I'm about to say the words cute, adorable, obsessed way too many times in this video, so I apologize in advance. But like, are we kidding? How cute is this? Like, literally throw this on, go on like a little backyard quarantine date with your boo or by yourself. Like, it's so romantic and just like so pretty. I love this. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to take it off. Like, this is so cute. Guys, I love this little romper. It's so cute. And I love how the back's a little bit longer so you get a lot of booty protection. And the little ruffle, like, it's just so flirty and romantic and pretty. And then it has a little built-in tie at the waist so you can get a little cinch action. I'm not kidding. Like, the summer collection is popping. Like, Shein, you did it. This is adorable. And it has this really nice ruching at the top so you don't have to worry about it falling down. Like, I've had it on, it's not falling. And you guys know I love floral. I just think it's really pretty this time of year. You could also dress this one up or down with sandals, flip-flops, wedges, or heels. Wear this to like a baby shower or like a more casual wedding. Like, this is everything. Guys, I'm geeking out. Like, I'm shook. All right guys, so this is a great outfit for lounging around in quarantine, because let's face it, most days we're going comfortable. You can't go wrong with just having a pair of high-waisted shorts to lounge around in. If you guys are not new here, you already know I love high-waisted things with crop tops. It's like my favorite look, whether it's dressy or more chill. And I love this shirt. It gives me like almost 90s vibes, like with this kind of lettuce cut bottom and this design. Like, it just feels kind of like my childhood. Like, I feel like this is something my mom would have worn in like the late 90s, early 2000s. And these shorts are super comfy to just lounge around in, run some errands in. So let's face it, we're mostly just chilling, but I really love this outfit. I picked up a couple more t-shirts I thought I would show you guys just while I have on these cute little loungy shorts. I love this t-shirt so much. I love all the little faces on it. I love the color. It's just like super cute to lounge around in. You can also wear it with some jean shorts, and it's a really nice length. It's not like cropped, but it's not like full length. It's just that really nice middle length, and I love the look of just like a little French tuck to give it a little shape, but not a full tuck. Just feels a little bit more put together. Guys, it's like almost 90 degrees today. And I don't have an air conditioner in this room. And I also picked up this top here. I love this. I feel like this is so trendy right now. I see so many of these kind of oversized, like, graphic tees that usually cost so much more. And for some reason, they're just like super on trend and they look a little cooler than just like your average t-shirt. And they're great to just lounge around in or sleep in, but I thought this one was super cool and I will definitely be wearing it a lot during the rest of this quarantine. These shorts are really comfy. Like, I don't want to take them off. This is another top that's very trendy right now. I feel like this whole tie-dye vibe is just explosive on the internet and I love it. I am here for it. But I like this top especially because it's, again, that really nice crop length where it's not like full length but not crop. It's a really nice amount of crop. And I like it because it has this built-in little fold-over crisscross at the bottom, so it gives it a little bit more shape and definition at the bottom. So it's also super, super soft. Really, really nice material. I love this. It's like cozy, but like not heavy. Soft, but not heavy, you know? Okay, so next we have this really cute little romper, which would be so great for just like lounging around the house, even running errands. I feel like this is so retro and just like so on trend. And again, I love that the back is a little bit longer, so you get that booty protection. You've got nice little cinching around the waist. I just love this. It's really comfortable. Like, I could totally wear this lounge around the house, go into the grocery store, hang out with my fiance who I live with because we can't see people. But yeah, I just feel like this is a great staple piece to have for summertime. Okay, so I love this next set. I'm really loving all this strapless vibage. I also really like that the Shein summer collection has a lot of cords, a lot of matching pieces that you just buy as a set. So I really like this. These cute little shorts. Again, you already know, I've talked about it a million times. I love high-waisted bottoms and a crop top. And there's just something so effortless and easy breezy about this little outfit that you can just throw on a really hot day when you don't want a lot of fabric and you still want to be comfortable and airy. Like, this fabric is still really nice and light and breezy. Now, to wrap this up, I want to show you guys some tops that I picked up from Shein, and I'd like you to visualize them with like some really cute high-waisted cut-off jean shorts. Like, how cute is this little halter top? Let your back rolls fly. Let your stretch marks roll. Let your rolls roll. I know summer can be a really hard time because we put a lot of pressure on ourselves to look a certain way with the less clothing we're wearing in this warm weather, but you know what? It took me years. I know it's way easier said than done, but just let it go. Accept yourself the way you are. Love yourself. Let it go. Wear what you want to wear. Let it go. Let it go. Like, come on. Like, this halter top's too cute to like not wear it, you know? I love that it's kind of like flouncy. And the best part is, hopefully it shows on camera, there's little pinstripes of like silver glitter. And I love this embroidery. I love this like old school classic halter top vibe. This will look so cute with some cutoff shorts. Like, I cannot wait to wear this. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see me rocking all of this over the summer. But I don't know, this top just does something for me. I also love white tops in the summer. It's my fave. We have another halter top. I love this one. I love this blue. I love the floral. Again, with some cutoff jean shorts. Just so cute. These halter tops are taking me back to when I was younger. And I love it. I'm here for it. Not much to say about this besides the fact that it's adorable and I love it, and it's nice and stretchy. It's comfortable. The last one was not stretchy. It was just like a linen, but this one has stretch. Okay, so this little top is also everything. It's definitely a little more risque. You could wear like a tank top or a bralette under it, but this just feels so like sexy and tropical. We've got these really cute butterfly sleeves, this little tie in the front here. This would look really cute on top of a bikini top too. And it has like this little ruffle detail. This is just really pretty. Obviously you don't have to like wear it like this, but like I thought it was a little bit sexy. Again, bralette, tank top, bikini top, bathing suit, like super cute underneath this. But I just love these florals, and this color scheme is beautiful. So this top is super pretty and romantic. I would probably just wear this with like some regular skinny jeans or maybe mom jeans because it has this little peplum flow to it and you're not gonna like get a little tuck or cropped action. But I think it's so pretty and so romantic, like perfect for a cute little summer date. I also am obsessed with square necklines, you already know. And lastly, I love the simplicity of this little flower crop top, little tube top action. I'm really here for him. Again, I'm here for this open shoulder moment. This is so cute. It's super easy to throw on. It has ruching at the top and the bottom. It's like kind of a satiny material. Again, super cute with some denim high-waisted shorts. And guys, Shein adds thousands of new styles every single day. There's always something to see. Oh my God, I'm so hot. And this new summer collection is just the cutest. So again, if you guys want to get 15% off your order, use the code FEARLESS15 on the Shein US site. Links to everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. Everything is so cute. Like, I'm hot right now, but everything is amazing. And like, I just want to wear all of it like every day. So let me know what was your favorite look down below, and let me know how you're doing, how you holding up during quarantine. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.